The SB2C Helldiver was a dive bomber used extensively by the US Navy in the latter part of World War II. Designed to replace the older Douglas SBD Dauntless, the SB2C Curtiss Helldiver was deployed from American aircraft carriers to conduct precision dive bombing missions against enemy ships, submarines, and ground targets. It was developed by the Curtiss-Wright Corporation, with its first models entering service in 1943. The Helldiver got its nickname from its aggressive design and role. It was known for its speed, maneuverability, and powerful armament, including 20 cannons and the capacity to carry up to 2,000 pounds of bombs or depth charges. It was also equipped with HVAR rockets for increased firepower against heavily defended targets. Despite early criticisms due to handling issues and mechanical problems, later models like the SB2C3 and SB2C4 addressed many of these concerns, making it a formidable aircraft in combat. The footage from June 24, 1943 likely shows a formation of SB2C Helldivers flying in coordinated patterns, emphasizing their role in dive bombing operations. These bombers were deployed in several key battles in the Pacific Theater, including the Battle of Leyte Gulf and the Battle of the Philippine Sea, where they played a crucial role in crippling the Japanese Navy. They were tasked with attacking aircraft carriers, battleships, and transport vessels, often operating under heavy anti-aircraft fire. The Helldiver was operated by a two-man crew, consisting of a pilot and a rear gunner. The gunner also acted as a radio operator and could fire twin .30 caliber machine guns for defense against enemy fighters. The dive bombing tactics used by Helldivers involved steep, precision dives toward targets, allowing for accurate bomb drops and increasing the effectiveness of US carrier-based air operations. Despite its rocky introduction, the Helldiver earned a reputation as a reliable and destructive aircraft. By the end of the war, over 7,000 SB2C Helldivers had been produced, becoming a staple of US naval aviation. The aircraft's role was crucial in ensuring air superiority and supporting amphibious landings throughout the Pacific campaign, making it an indispensable tool for the Allied victory.